The first step was soft, then another, and another. They shuffled across the living room floor. I froze, my breath caught, sharp and shallow. The footsteps weren't outside this time. They were inside, moving, deliberate, closer. They crossed the floorboards, paused at the hallway, then turned toward me. I stood up, nearly knocking over the chair. My heart thudded so hard, I thought it might stop. "Who's there?" I called out. My voice felt foreign, thin in the heavy air. No answer, just stillness. I grabbed the flashlight again, my hands slick with sweat, and inched toward the living room. The moment I stepped in, I felt it. The pressure. It wasn't just